2007 Dodge Ram regular cab short bed, 32,000 miles. It's got a Hemi and tow mirrors. Let's take it for a test drive. Here is something that you won't find us with very often, but it doesn't mean that it's not a great vehicle. It's just something that's unique, and we brought it in because it's low miles and is an awesome truck to drive. This is a 2007 Dodge Ram regular cab short bed two-wheel drive truck with 32,544 miles. So really low miles, and it is just a cool truck. It has the Hemi making 345 horse and 375 foot-pounds of torque, backed by the automatic overdrive transmission that these were born with, and it really performs like a brand new 2007 Dodge Ram. Nothing has really been changed motor transmission wise. They both perform excellent. Your disc brakes all the way around work properly. Power steering works correctly. Factory heat and AC are also good. Really, it is a truck you can hop in and drive every single day. Zero complaints. You do have an aftermarket muffler, and then you have your dual tailpipes coming out the back, so it sounds really good. Not a crazy loud muffler, but definitely a little bit more aggressive than the factory muffler. On the interior, it's the factory Khaki interior. You can load up 3 people in here because you have your fold down middle jump seat. The plastics are all excellent. The white face gauges look great. Steering wheel's in awesome condition. Headliner, visors, no issues with any of that. Factory stereo, factory heat and AC controls. Down here you have your little pop open cup holders. Glove box opens and closes properly. I love the fact that it's a simplistic truck. It's manual windows and manual locks, just less things, and manual mirrors, excuse me, and they are the tow mirrors, which is kind of funny for a regular cab short bed truck like this that it has the tow mirrors, but it is what it is. Pretty cool. You can flip them out if you need to. Carpets are in good shape, mats look good. The only real note on the inside here is on the driver's seat bottom, there's a couple little stains in the seat. You could probably shampoo them out, but that's it. Nothing else is wrong on the inside here. It all represents like a really low mileage truck. It's a very comfortable pickup to drive. As far as the doesn't work section, lights, gauges, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, cruise control, stereo itself, all of that stuff is functioning properly. The doesn't work section will be posted in the additional media tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. and it will have yeses across the board. Cigarette lighter pushes in, works like it should. No one's ever smoked in here though. It's a clean smelling interior on this pickup. The tow, haul, or the overdrive on and off, all that stuff works properly as well. Warmed up here, let's roll into it some, test out the Hemi. Smooth performance, motor's great, transmission shifts exactly like you want it to and where you want it to. No weird sounds coming from anywhere mechanically. On the underneath, it's a pretty spotless truck. The floors, frame rails, inner rockers, underneath the bed, underneath the cab, that all shows like a brand new pickup. You have a little surface corrosion on the non-painted parts, but it's minuscule at best. Exterior, flame red exterior, original paint, shows well. Has some little stone chips on the front of the hood, and then just kind of walking around the pickup, you have a couple little tiny flaws, but it's all minor stuff. It really shows great. At some point, it looks like it probably had some like fender well trim, so around all 4 wheel wells, you can see the faintest little line. If someone color sanded and buffed it, you probably would never even know that it's there. You have to be in the perfect right light to see it. Inside the bed, you have a spray-in bed liner that's probably been back there since the truck was new. Shows great, nothing's beat up. Doors open and close properly. Same thing with the tailgate and the hood. Stock wheels, tires are I believe 25 and 24 date code. So tires have no problems, no dry rot, no cracking, really no miles on them at all. They show basically like brand new tires. Bumpers, front and rear look good. The little imperfections you will find in the additional media tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Get back in the throttle there, downshifts like it should. Glass is all in really nice condition. Couple tiny little road nicks on the windshield. Again, this is a manual window truck, which for me is cool. I like the fact that it's simple. The windows roll up and down like they should. You have your manual sliding rear glass. You also have, that's not a push, you got to turn that on, turn your cargo light on, and flip that up. All the lights on the inside here and on the exterior, all that works. Got your cargo light button, which works. The little light on the dash illuminates when you turn the cargo light on for inside the bed back there. Suspension is all factory equipment, nothing to note, nothing to change. If you wanted to, you could lower this truck and put it on some wheels. I think that'd be a cool thing to do. I've seen people do that with these trucks, lower them and put them on the Viper wheels. But again, if you want a bone stock truck, this is a great example. You don't really need to do anything, but you could if you want to. There's plenty of things you can do with this. I think it's just a sweet truck, being that it's the Hemi, super low miles, regular cab, short bed, rear wheel drive. Driving position is great. Seat foam feels good. Seats are comfortable. You can do long drives in these. Brakes perform well. When you get on, the brakes a little heavier. It's not pulling you left or right. No steering issues. Roll into it here again on this fresh black top. Yeah, the performance from those Hemis is great. When you pop the hood, it's very factory OE spec. It is the original Hemi that this truck was born with. Wiring, hoses, belts, charging system, all that's working properly. Underside of the hood insulator has a few little imperfections in it, but again, very minor, nothing to note in there. Firewall looks good, inner fenders, core support radiator, all that's good as well. This is a clean Carfax, no accidents or damage ever reported. If I didn't report that to y'all earlier, it's a documented 32,550 miles. You do have your factory tow hitch in the back. It's a 2-inch receiver, so if you do need to pull something, you can. And again, you have your flip open tow mirrors, which again for me is kind of obnoxious on a truck like this, but it is what it is. They are there, and they're clear and easy to see out of. Rear view mirror doesn't have any issues. And I take that back. There's a tiny little hazy spot in the rear view mirror on the very bottom to the right there, but super minor. See if we can't get a little tire chirp out of it here if we pull out from a dead stop, and see if we can't get just a little tire chirp here. Burn the back tires down if you get on it pretty heavy. I expect nothing less from a Hemi. And there you guys have it. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.7 Hemi, automatic overdrive transmission, 32,551 miles, cold AC. Myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. We will catch you guys on the next video.